U.S. military officials say two Russian fighter jets made a, quote, unsafe, unprofessional intercept of a U.S. B-52 bomber on Friday. The U.S. flight was taking part in a show of solidarity with NATO, flying over 30 countries. The close encounter happened over the Black Sea. CNN's Barbara Starr has more about it.
What apparently happened is two Russian pilots, their fighter jets crossed within 100 feet of the nose of the U.S. B-52 bomber multiple times, and that caused turbulence, making it difficult, the Pentagon says, for the B-52 to actually correctly maneuver. The Pentagon calling this unsafe, unprofessional action by the Russians.
Russia has done these dangerous close encounters before with American aircraft.